Hair loss is a common problem nowadays. Sometimes it's difficult to prevent hair loss and most men are afraid of becoming bald. Both men and women have thick and long hair dream. Losing hair can also give you lots of stress. Many factors may cause hair loss, including physical or emotional stress, using wrong hair care products, nutritional deficiencies and allergies. If you have thinning hair, don't worry, you are not alone. You don't have to spend more money on expensive products to make your hair thick. You can solve the problem of hair loss and thin hair with some treatments. In this video, we will show you the best natural remedies to have your dream hair. Before the video, please subscribe to our channel for daily natural remedies. If this video is useful for you, give your unique like and share your feedback on the comment below. One of the most effective home remedies for hair loss are olive oil. Olive oil helps to thicken your hair. It also helps your hair grow faster. To thicken your hair, massage your scalp and hair with warm olive oil and leave it on for 40 to 45 minutes. Then, wash your hair with a mild shampoo. You can also leave the oil overnight and wash your hair the next morning. To get a better result, try this remedy twice a week. Onion juice. Onion juice is said to be the best natural treatment for hair loss. Onion juice also helps your hair grow faster and thicker. Onions are rich in sulfur, so it helps to increase blood circulation in our scalp. Onions contain antibacterial properties that treat scalp infections. To grow your hair faster, blend a few onions, squeeze out the juice, and apply onion juice to your scalp and leave it on for 15 minutes. Then, wash with regular shampoo. Repeat this twice a day for getting better results. Eggs. Eggs are the best ingredients for protein hair treatment. An egg hair mask is a natural remedy to solve hair loss problem and it actually works. Eggs are rich in high levels of protein, so they promote hair regrowth faster. To use, take 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Mix them in a bowl. After having washed your hair with shampoo, apply the mask to your hair and let the mask sit in your damp hair with a shower cap. Leave it on for 15 minutes. After the mask has been fully soaked and absorbed, wash your hair with conditioner. You can use this protein treatment once or twice a week to get a better result. Avocado. Avocado is a huge source of vitamin E which contributes to overall hair health. Avocado is also used to grow thicker hair. To do this, take 1 mashed avocado, 1 mashed banana and 1 tablespoon of olive oil and mix them. Massage the scalp with this mixture and let the mixture stay on your hair for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, wash your hair with shampoo. You can also use a hydrating hair mask to make your hair thicker. To prepare a hydrating hair mask, mix half of a wrap of mashed avocado with 2 tablespoons of wheat germ oil. After having washed your hair with shampoo, apply this mask to your hair and let the mask sit in your damp hair with a shower for at least 20 minutes. Then, wash your hair with shampoo. To get a better result, use either of these avocado hair masks twice a week. Thanks for watching the video and keep watching our channel for daily natural remedies. If this information is useful for you, don't forget to give your valuable like and